How to change time zone on BeReal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change the time zone. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So these are the profile settings. Here on the right, you'll be able to see this settings icon. Simply tap on it. So these are the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find the option called time zone. Simply tap on time zone. So as you can see, there are different options available. So you can select the one that you want to change into. So here I'm selecting one, and at last simply tap on the save button. So it will take some time. So make sure you want to change your location and tap on change. So if you go back, it's all set. So the time zone has been completely changed. So this will help in adding new friends from the specific region too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.